Today, we're taking a closer look at the Food Science and Nutrition Lab Kit. We created this kit to help teachers engage students in high-demand food science and nutrition careers. High school and post-secondary FACS and ag instructors love this kit because it's so easy to use. It includes everything teachers need to create hands-on lessons and lab exercises. Here's what you'll get. One set of food processing, production, and safety career scenario cards, which students can use in small groups to practice soft skills within on-the-job situations. 6 lab posters about food labels and 6 about essential nutrients. A pack of 20 student workbooks, which is a great extended learning resource for recording lab results and completing assessments. And of course, you have the materials to create a variety of lab activities. Glow germ powder with brush, 6 UV lights with batteries, a package of cheesecloth, 12 beakers, 12 small funnels, 12 pipettes, 12 popsicle sticks. Finally, you have online access to your curriculum, which includes PowerPoint presentations, student activities, and assessments. This curriculum offers 22 hours of content. And the great part about this product is you can pick and choose your activities to supplement what you're already teaching your students. That was our Food Science and Nutrition Lab Kit. Visit our website today to explore other interactive kits focused on facts, culinary, and other topics.